Okay, I think that's my set has begun. Was it an exit song? Thank you so much. No. Say thanks and go. Okay, thank you. All right, so I don't get any entry song. Let's hire professionals, okay? Okay, then thank you. Thank you. Joke has not. I think if you put these bangers, what will I do? I'm a millennial. These are my songs. I mean, not my songs, but you know, if it's coming, I'll dance. Right. I'm Deepthi. And wow. You know why the club? I'll tell you now. The next part will explain why only one club I got. Because I'm from South India. I'm here representing 3/4 of the South India. Because Anjali is from one part, kind of. Half. I'm from 3 other parts. Because they're like, will you do Hindi? Sure. First I said yes, then I'm like, we'll see. Yes, but I'm also here representing millennials. I think there are only 4 of us. No! I've also come here to represent Stieglitz. Except us. The kids are cleaning studios. So, yes. So I was raised in Bangalore, but my mom was from Hyderabad. Is from Hyderabad. My dad is from Chennai. No, these are 3 different cities, guys. From different states, not all in Madras. Or, no. I know it's an old joke, but it happens. Yeah. And so that's why I speak like 6 languages, but I'm only funny in one. That's German. You can never get even if you're C1, you will be like, the art won't come on. My daughter keeps correcting us. I'm not going to wait also. But then, you know what it means that I speak 6 languages outside India? Nothing. They'll be like, they're waiting. Oh, Russian, Spanish, Italian, and all. No. It's local only. Difficult only, but for them it's like, oh, so Indian. You have a very unique and exotic accent. Yeah, I'm the one with accent. What accent? One German American person asked me, so do you speak Hindu then? First of all, yes, I do. And it's because I don't smoke. I'm kidding. Yes. Yeah. But you know, I have been out of India for 18 years. Okay. I've lived all over, and it's like, do you know this? Like, if you are 100% person, 50% is what you wanna be. 49% is what you're pretending for others so they can feel you're cool or something. 1% is the real you. It does not come out very often, right? So I feel like I'm like having a double personality, right? Like too smooth, like a marriage of 2 smooth gay people. Specifically, Hariharan and Louis Leslie. I hear myself talking, I'm like, something about the way you especially North Indians, I'm sorry. They only see my 1%. Ayo, Jadurana. Gaana jaisa tera face hai. Jadurana. That's what they say. They do not like my accent. That's why I'm not. इसीलिए मैं हिंदी में नहीं बोल रही. मेरा हिंदी ना टीवी जैसा है, मेरी जैसा. Not like real people have taught me. I've watched only Hindi movies since I was 4. Oh, that's where all my Hindi comes from. And I know every song from 1950. Like someone is talking, I can only talk in songs. I'm sorry.
I can vouch for this.
You can see our voice messages. Yes, it's only songs. But you know, it's okay. I mean, look, the movie industry, right? I'll give you 2 cases, okay? One is a movie, Tamil movie from the 90s, Roja. We need claps. I mean. I never liked this white people. Anyway, Roja Tamil movie, okay? Tamilian. The crypto, I think it's a crypto something scientist from Chennai. Okay, he's living in Chennai. They don't teach Hindi in Chennai that much. Okay, maybe now he's changed, but anyway, goes on a temporary assignment to the north. I think Jammu Kashmir at the time. Takes his village Tamilian wife up there. Okay, he's speaking perfect English at work, perfect Hindi to locals, also to the terrorist who kidnaps him. I mean, in horrible circumstances, not even breaking to mother tongue. I would be like, "Amma." My wife would tell you the mental over just but me, like, Wasim bhai, please let me go. मेरे पास wife है. Pardon me. Please, I'm telling you, I don't have any information. And you know what Wasim bhai says? Oh, Tamila. But is it better than? I think it's better than Case B, this Hindi movie called Chennai Express. Shahrukh Khan takes train to Chennai, Tamil Nadu, casually violates the lungi. Dude, yep. I mean, what if I, South Indian, made a song called Chaddi Banyan? Kunjan, I can't see you.
Yeah.
कितना टाइम है?
नहीं तुम करो किधर? सही कर रही हो.
So, I couldn't. I watched like 10 minutes, but it's better than Chaliya, Chaliya. Shahrukh, make an effort, bro. Just learn one Tamil properly. You have to do so much. It's easy. Just learn the language. What the fuck is that all about? Kisan. This joke I didn't want to do, but I think I have time. So I mean, it's just banging up on the same point again. Like, if I speak Hindi, they're like, "Hi, kitni cute South ki accent hai." Yeah. ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, तेरी हिंदी जैसी बातें, ये साउथ की एक्सेंट गहरा. जिसने तुम्हें सिखाया. पंजाबी. Kimcho, Magamacho. I can also be racist in other languages. I don't know. I watch so much movies, you guys. You won't. Everything is here. I'm saying Alright, so, but look, I know Hindi very well, but for you, to convince the skeptics here, not my South Indian friends, they are good friends, and convince them, I wanted to translate this really melodic, like it's a difficult Hindi song. It's from the many like decades ago. I translated it in English. I didn't look it up. I just translated it. And if you remember it and if you know this song, I want you to start singing into the second verse. Okay? Second time round. But you tell me how I did. Okay? Okay? I need to get my stuff. Oh my god, Mary Kavis! Oh my guys, who took this? My props, my props. Thank you. That was just extra drama. I really didn't. I'm not mad at it. Okay. So, anyone want to come up? Yeah, maybe you can hold my mic and then you can turn it on the music. Okay. Wait, I'll tell you when. Okay. Do you know which one? You can hold it. Right. You can go back. You hold it. I don't need it. Okay. Because the song's gonna play. Wait. Are you gonna start? I'm down for it. My song. He's from Bangalore. He's helping me. Okay. This is from the movie.
And I'll make you realize you've done the best. I love you.
I just wanted to say this song was sung by 3 South Indian singers. Harivaran, Shankar Mahadevan, and SP. Thank you so much. But I think I've done enough damage. You think I should stay or go? You wanted to stay? Yeah, whatever. You know? We'll go quickly. Okay.